Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install workshop maps in CS2. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up CS2, hit play on the middle on the top. Then you need to go to workshop maps, then select visit workshop, and then Steam overlay should appear here. And after that, you just need to select the map here. You can sort it out by a bunch of different things, but for this example, let's select 1v1 aim Minecraft map. Just press plus icon here, and after you get a check mark, another thing that you can do here is to close the overlay here, and then we need to wait for a couple of seconds until a map should appear here. So you can see here, and then you just need to press play. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to install workshop maps on CS2. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.